Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to join Binance Learn and Earn. All right, so go ahead and open up your favorite browser and go to Binance.com. And then once you're in here, go ahead and go to the More section. Now in here, go ahead and go to Binance Academy. Okay, click on it. And once done, you'll be landed to the Binance Academy section. Okay, you could go ahead over to Learn and Earn here as well. Just go to the top and just click on it. Browse the list of available campaigns and choose one, noting the topic, reward amount, and expiry date. And just basically click on Start Learning. So just click on it and just hit on the play button. Once done, just click on this next icon. And you should read everything right here. Okay, and if a specific course or topic right here got quizzes, well, that's how you earn. Okay, when you click on this next button, you'll be taken to a form with a multiple choice quiz. So just finish the quiz, and then after passing the quiz, your reward, okay, basically a token voucher, appears in your reward center, or will appear in your reward center when you go ahead and go to Binance.com. Either you receive a notification that you got a voucher from Binance, or you can hover over your profile and you'll be able to see Rewards Hub right here. Just click on it and you can redeem it from here. Okay, just do keep in mind that you can only join the Binance Learn and Earn and do quizzes if your Binance account is verified. Okay, if it's not verified, just do the full KYC, and after that, just go ahead over to Binance Academy and take the quizzes. Okay, Learn and Earn right here. And that is it. And also make sure that the tag in here is still active. Okay, if it's ended, well, unfortunately, you can't do the quizzes anymore. Again, that is how you join the Binance Learn and Earn. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.